Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you some of the best T-Mobile deals for the existing customers in 2026. Now, one of the biggest promotions right now is for iPhone 17 lineup. Existing T-Mobile customers can often get up to $830 to $1,100 off when they trade in an eligible device and upgrade on a qualifying plan. The discount usually comes through 24 monthly bill credits, which means the phone can effectively become free if the credit covers the full price. In some promotions, families can get multiple iPhone 17 devices for free when upgrading or adding the lines on the certain plans. T-Mobile also offers upgrade promotions for the Samsung foldable phones like Galaxy Flip 6. The existing customers can often get the large trade-in credits or the major discounts when upgrading to a new Galaxy device on the eligible plans. The savings are typically applied through the monthly bill credits similar to the iPhone promotions. T-Mobile frequently runs promotions where certain phones are on us, meaning free after the bill credits. For example, some offers allow customers to select the phones completely free when they upgrade or add a line on the plans like Go 5G Plus or Experience Beyond. Now, many upgrades offers are tied to the trade-in programs. If you trade in an older smartphone, sometimes even in any condition, T-Mobile is going to give you a credit toward a new device. Besides phone discounts, T-Mobile customers can also receive extra perks like discounts on the accessories, streaming benefits included with some plans, weekly rewards through the T-Mobile Tuesday programs, and special upgrades offers through the T-Mobile app. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.